My name is Faith Payne, and this presentation is entitled Leadership Strategies in Project Management. The objectives of this presentation are to define the difference between management and leadership as it relates to project management, identify leadership strategies that are essential for project management, and describe ways to implement leadership strategies into the current work environment. Management and leadership are not interchangeable terms. One might be a good manager, but lack some leadership qualities. One might also be a leader, but may not have a management title. Ideally, the project manager will possess both leadership and management attributes. Kumar describes 5 key differences between managers and leaders. The differences are that leaders seek challenges, while managers seek to maintain the status quo. Leaders look at setting long-term goals in relationship to the overall mission and vision of the organization, while managers are focused on short-term goals. Leaders motivate and inspire, while managers control. Leaders really look at how they can best inspire those working under them to accomplish their goals. Leaders look to make decisions about the right choices for the organizations that align with their vision and values, while managers ensure that the right steps are taken once a project is decided upon. And leaders have a large circle of influence, while managers have a very small circle of influence. Depending on which author or authors you reference, there are between 4 and 10 essential leadership strategies that a project manager must possess to be an effective leader. I will go through each one of these essential strategies, and then we'll look for some similarities in how they can be implemented in this organization. The 4 that Kumar recognized are motivating and inspiring, team building, negotiating and communicating, and listening and influencing. Singh recognizes 7 essential skills, and they are communicating, sharing a vision, team management, delegation, creativity, honesty, and focus. Marsh recognizes these 10 leadership strategies: communication, sharing a vision, a positive attitude, integrity, competence, cool, calm, and collected, a problem solver, a team builder, delegation, and decision making. Having a positive attitude goes a long way in these situations. If it seems overwhelming and the leader is overwhelmed, so will everybody else who's following that person. I also like what Marsh said about having a cool, calm, and collected manner. When everything's going wrong, people look to the leader to be cool, calm, collected, and ready for any challenge. Larson and Gray say that leadership strategies are especially important when the project is having challenges. If the project is having challenges, there has to be increased communication, and people do look to the leader as to what they're going to do next. If the project is running smoothly, a manager is sufficient. Communication is essential and is recognized by every author about how important communication is, especially as the project progresses. It's important for people in your organization that you look at the different leaders and project managers and make sure that they have great communication skills, especially when projects are not going as planned. We want people who focus on the team. What is the team going to do to accomplish these goals instead of what each individual brings to it, to the specific project? For further reference, I've provided these references.